So now let's utilize this. So you will say if prop.getProperty browser type dot equals Chrome. If it is equal to Chrome, then do this thing. Great. This will come under part. Then copy paste. Hold on. And if it is Firefox, then open Firefox browser. New Firefox. Done. So based on the property file, if you'll make it Chrome, it will run on Chrome. If you'll make it Firefox, so this will run on Firefox because you are handling it like this. Once you get uh, the the property object, right? So once you say read property file, which is a very general, um, you know, standard way of loading the property, you have to go through it. I'm not going to make you understand this thing. It's about reading a file. It's like in the property object, we are loading the whole file input stream. And once you load it, if you will read the blog, you will understand that once you have the control of your file in terms of key value pair or in terms of property and value pair. So if you'll say prop.getProperty URL, it will give you this. If you'll say prop.getProperty browser type, it will give you this value. It's very simple. I'm going back to this and done. So this time things should be executed in Firefox. Earlier it was executing on Chrome. So if I'll run this, let's see whether it is opening Firefox or not. Yes, it's opening Firefox. So things are getting executed. Okay, done. And we are doing the real time exact thing what should happen in a project, right? You may arrange the uh, your things in a better way, but these are the basic things we do actually. At the before suite level, you get the property and use it. Fine, fine, fine. Moreover, you can make it oh, it's already static. So you can call this report read property file from other classes just by saying base test dot read property file and give the file name, and then you can get it all the properties. Okay. Next agenda. Next agenda for today is download. Download it. So download folder. So next agenda is just a minute. Home. Set download folder in project. Great. What it is? What it is? So sometimes in your code, right, you want file to be downloaded, and check if it's present, right? It's is downloaded or not, right? So what I'm saying is there may be a case where you will click on something and that will download a file in your test case, and then you want to check whether that is downloaded or not, right? So web uh, testing site. I'm just checking, is there any normal demo website which we can use? Yeah, not Heroku app. This one, I wanted to get this. Okay, this one, control F, download. Yeah, file download. This one we want to use. And when you click here, it will download some file.txt. But where it will go? It will go to your download folder. It will go to your download folder. I don't want it to be downloaded in my download folder. I don't want that should go to my downloads. This one. I want it to be downloaded at my project level, something. I'll create a folder. here, download folder. So let's create a folder. Right click, I'll say new folder. At project level, you can do anything. So folder name is download, download files. Okay, finish. There is a new folder created. Now this is this is like browser property. Okay, so I'll Google about set browser to download file in Java Selenium, right? So Selenium Firefox. In Firefox, how to do that? How to download file using Selenium in Python? No. Selenium Java file download from. Okay, let's do it for. It doesn't matter whether you do it for Chrome or Firefox. It will be something similar. Okay, so people have problems. People have give the option that there is a pref. Okay, preference, or you can say that, hey, um this is my folder where you have to download it. It's like this. Okay, so copy this, and I'll show you how it will work. Don't worry. So here in our base test, that's why base test is very important. Here I want to say my download folder should be something. Okay, so let me keep this in, first of all, in bracket, because there are multiple code here. So let's add this. There are a lot of other properties also you can add. Download directory is one of them. So we are saying, hey, this is default.download property, and the property will be user directory file separator. File separator is slash. Okay, so this is a good way, because in other system maybe file separator is not slash, right? Here is the file separator. So it's good to use file separator instead of saying slash. And there we have made download files, right? So I'll give them meaning. So this is actually download files, and inside that I want all my files. So this is not required. Done. So I'm saying that, hey, or whatever you will download here. Now Chrome option, yes, because you are changing something at Chrome level, you have to use Chrome options now, and you'll say that, hey, my experimental option is uh, add the preference, add the prefs with this particular preferences, and instead of saying, so it should be driver is equals to, and this line will be good. So you want to load your Chrome driver with this particular option. It's like this. So now when you will download, it will not go to the download file. It will not go to your this download file. It will go to the structure where you are saying it should get download. Let's create that test case quickly as a new test case. Why to use the same login page test? Let's create a new class. Uh, sorry, download demo. That's it. Download demo. And here I'll create a test case at the rate test public void check download, and here the code will come to download part. So I have to open this particular website. Where it has gone? This one, right? So let's reach directly here. So because in the base test something will happen, we will not extend it to base, right? If you'll extend it to base, oh, we have to extend it. Let me do it. Because all the things we have put there, right? So extends base test. Okay. Opening the browser and all is there, but it's fine. If you don't want to extend, it's fine. That is also fine. But in that case, let me keep it Chrome because we want to run it in Chrome. Okay. And here, uh, because it will open a particular URL, we don't want to use it. So you can say driver dot navigate to, right? This is another way to open a website, right? Once you are in a website and you want to navigate to another website, you can use driver.navigate to. I'll show, don't worry. And here, I want to click on this sumfile.txt, inspect this. This is with the link text, it's mine. So this is under H3 where A contains this. So I can create one XMark for that. I'll say there is a H3, there is a A which contains or where the text is. Why contain? We'll say where text is equals to in the double quote, no, in the single quote, sumfile.txt, right? I'll copy this. I'll put it here. Oh, it's not working. So, oh, it's not under H3. It's div class is equals to example, right? So even if I'll not use it, that will also work. See here, it's working. So let me use it quickly because we are already late. So I'll say driver dot find element by dot xpath, and that xpath is this dot click. Now you will observe that the download will happen here. So where is our project? So the download will happen here. We created this download file. As of now, it's empty, right? There is nothing here. If I'll refresh it here, let's refresh. In the download file, it's empty, right? And once this code will execute, it should download here. That file should come here. So let's run this. To run this file, download demo, right click, debug. We want to debug. I want to show you that what is happening. Oh, it will execute the base test and all. Switch perspective. That's fine. It is opening Chrome. See here, it has opened Chrome. Correct. Now, after opening the Chrome and this test of techlib.in, I don't want to work in this website. It's fine. It's it's not like that. You cannot switch to any other website. You can do it. So to do that, the code is, let me keep this keyboard here. Hold on. Okay. So to do that, the code is driver dot navigate to a particular URL. It's possible. Okay. So now I am at this website test.techlib, but I want to navigate to this. So let's run the next line. See here, the URL is changed. internetherokuapp.com download. Now I want to click on that. Did I click? Yes, click. So next, let's see the next line. So it is downloading. See here, it is downloaded. But where it will go? Let me finish this execution. Where it will go? So let's see the project structure. Let's refresh this. Refresh. And in the download file, this sumfile.txt has come. Okay. In the download file, that sumfile.txt has come. So this is how you can set up where you want to download. And the number of lines are very simple to set this thing. This is the way to set where your download default directory is. You can set it anything like D drive. You can give hard-coded path. We have given it smartly that there is a download files. There you have to put. Okay. What is the last thing we want to do? Running the test ng from command line. Great. Why not search the whole thing in Google? There is a POM file change that you have to do. Then it will work. I'm doing google.com, running testng file from the command line in POM project, because this will give you how you run it, like without POM structure, Maven project. So actually I should search command line how running Maven project, Maven testng.xml from this. So it's saying do this thing. Fine. But yeah, yeah, this one. So basically again, read this thing. Let me copy this and we will give you here. Okay. I just want to see the POM file. POM file, you have to add something. That's it I want. So I'm checking what it is saying. Not this, not this. Where is that? Okay. No, this is not the case. Yeah, here, sweet XML file. Here you have to mention your XML file. So basically, we need this properties, right? And if you will go to our form file, we have put something already. Where is the form file? Here. And yeah, we have given the compiler already in the build part. Okay, that is fine. I think in the plugins, we have to add this. So plugin, that's it. This one. Copying this and okay, it's a plugin. So there is plugins. So one more plugin we have to add. That plugin is this, which says that your sweet X, there may be multiple XML files, and you can hard code also that my XML file is this. This is like a kind of property which you will get. Let me save this. And what it is saying that you can pass the XML file, right? So let me try this. So I want to run my testng.xml file. Hmm, I'm thinking this one, right? So I will go to the project structure, which is here, Eclipse workspace, automation selenium project, command prompt. And here I will say MVN test hyphen D, and that, no, and that tag name, this one, sweet XML file is equals to testng.xml. Okay, let's run this. No, my bad. Again, my bad. It is not copied particularly. So let me copy this. So this is basically the right click, copy, go back here, ELF. What I was saying, yeah, D suite XML file is equals to testng.xml. Spelling should match. So test all is small. So ambient test hyphen D suite XML file is this. Hyphen D means you can add parameters. So it's not working. It's saying execution default this has null value. We'll see this thing. Maybe we are making some mistake about what should be the thing here. Small mistake we are making. It's running now. So basically, yeah, it's running. It's running. So the thing is, you should provide this one. I was providing this tag name, this one. Basically, this is the parameter, right? So here you will say ambient test hyphen d test. I'll give here what you have to do. So basically, you have to say ambient test hyphen t. And here, basically, that particular thing will come, which is sweet XML file is equals to whatever is the file name. So for me, it's testmv.xml. Okay. So whatever XML file you'll provide, that will be executed. It's working fine. And at the end, it will show you that how many test cases passed and failed, everything done. That's it for today.